Namaste, Vishalji. You coming into my life has really impacted me a lot. I didn't realize that nature could give so much to us, even though I was very much in tune with it, but somehow I was in search of it, which today in your session, I felt so much of awakening and enlightening my knowledge of what nature can give it to me. And I am so looking forward to be a part of it. And I have registered for the gold class. And I'm sure Jyoti and I will not let you down, and we will definitely work on it. I will be off the peel. I know, I trust you. I have this gut feeling in this journey, what I can do and how I can serve and be a role model for what work you have done for Go Nature. Thank you so much. Namaste.